Welcome to our channel. Here's a straightforward guide to solving USAA bank login problems fast and hassle-free. Welcome to our channel if you're having trouble accessing your USAA bank account. Don't worry. We've got you covered with an easy step-by-step method to get you back online. Quickly first check your internet connection to ensure it's stable and strong. A weak connection often causes login failures. Next, verify your login credentials. Carefully double-check your username and password for any typos or case-sensitive errors. If you forgot your password, hit the Forgot Password link on the login page. Follow the prompts to reset your password using your email or phone number. Once reset, try logging in again. If you still cannot log in, clear your browser cache and cookies. Sometimes outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser interferes with the login process. To do this, go to your browser settings, clear browsing data, then restart the browser. Another option is to switch browsers or use the USAA mobile app, which can sometimes bypass browser-specific issues. If the problem persists, ensure your USAA account has not been locked due to multiple failed login attempts. You can contact USAA customer service for assistance in unlocking your account or verifying your identity. Also check if there is any scheduled maintenance or known outages on USAA's website or social media pages. These can temporarily prevent login access. If you continue facing issues, try updating your browser or the USAA app to the latest version. Out-of-date software can cause compatibility problems that affect login. Finally, if none of these steps work, reach out directly to USAA's support team via phone or secure message. They can provide personalized help to restore your access. Remember, these steps are designed to troubleshoot the most common login problems with USAA bank accounts. Quickly to summarize: first, check your internet. Next, verify credentials. Then reset password. Cache, try another browser or device. Confirm account status. Check for outages and update software. If all else fails, contact customer support. Follow this method, and you'll be logging into your USAA account with ease in no time. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video to keep getting helpful tips and guides like this. Thank you for watching.